consider fat burning to be the most effective method for achieving the body you desire. The greatest strategy to lose weight is to combine exercises with a healthy diet. But why not take it a step further and look at the top fat-burning foods and how they might assist you in losing weight? Vitamin C-rich fruits such as lemon, orange, guava, grape, tangerine, and lemon should be prioritized. They're all fat-burning supplements. Vitamin C dilutes fat, lowering energy and allowing the body to remove it more quickly. Peppers, cabbage, broccoli, soybeans, apples, and blueberries are among the other nutrients, and the pectin in apples inhibits fat absorption by cells. It aids in the absorption of water from the food while also assisting in the release of fat deposits and grains. Oats, which are heavy in processed foods, especially fiber, brown rice, lean meat, and protein, burn twice as many calories as whole meals, and oats, which are high in processed foods, especially fiber, brown rice, lean meat, and protein, have a high thermogenic effect. You burn 30% of the calories in your food during digestion. To break down a 300-calorie chicken breast, you'll need roughly 90 calories. Foods high in fiber are beneficial in the fight against obesity. The average American only consumes 12 grams of fiber each day. However, consuming 20 to 35 grams of fiber each day is recommended. Bananas, beans, potatoes, dried figs, and spinach are all high in fiber. Garlic is yet another powerful fat-burning food. It contains allicin, a substance that aids in the conversion of cholesterol to fat. So, how may these meals aid in weight loss? High fiber foods can burn more calories, and grains like whole grains can help you feel faster and longer, as a protein-rich diet takes longer to digest and significantly increases your metabolism. As a result, high fiber foods can burn more calories, and grains like whole grains can help you feel faster and longer. Fiber helps the body pass through the digestive system more quickly, allowing less of it to be absorbed, and 3 meals high in complex carbs, such as milk, can help boost your metabolism by lowering insulin levels after a meal. Low insulin levels are ideal. However, high insulin levels indicate that your body is storing fat. Green tea chemical complexes produce EGCG for high-fat diets, which speeds up the brain and neurological system, allowing you to burn more calories. 5 foods high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon and tuna, have been shown to affect leptin levels in the body. Low leptin levels are linked to increased calorie burning. There are many other foods that burn fat or provide comparable benefits to those listed above. But it's vital to combine them with a healthy diet and regular exercise to achieve the best weight loss effects. If you're seeking for a quick and natural way to lose weight, you've come to the right place. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+ if you enjoyed it. Thank you for tuning in. Next time, I'll see you.